read about the place value and the place value chart. In that we have learned about the building numbers, ascending descending orders, greater smaller equal to, and so on. So today we are starting with the place value and face value. Now what is the place value? A digit is given its value due to its place and position. Next, face value. Face value is the actual position of digit itself. Here we have the example. Now, here we have the number 9576. Now, this 7 which we have underlined, it is the digit, the face value which we are going to denote as a place value. Now, for finding out the place value, what we will do, we will multiply 7 with the 10 because it is at the tens place. Now, taking the next example, here we have the number 4698. Now, here the 6 is the digit and it is the face value. Now, how we will write the place value of 6? So, we will write 6 into 100. Now, next topic we have predecessors and successors, which we call before and after. So, here we have a number 8765. Now, what will come before this? 8764. This is called predecessor. And what will come after this number? That is called successor. That is 8766. Now, moving to the next topic, we have rounding off the numbers. First one we have round off to the nearest tens. Here we take one example. We have a number 76. Now, we have to make this number to the nearest 10. So, what we will see, for making the nearest tens, we will see the place value of the ones place. Now, here it is 6. For rounding off, what we have to keep in mind that whether we have to round off to the tens, hundreds or thousand, we have to first see the place value of the number which we have to find out. In this case, we have to find the nearest tens. So, we have to see the ones place. Here it is 6 and it is greater than 5. If we have 5 or the greater number, so we have to just add one number to the previous digit. So, here we have 7. So, what we will do, we will add one number to 7 and it will be 8. So, we will write 8 and this 6 will become 0. So, it is just the round off to the nearest tens. Now, in the next we have round off to the nearest 100. Now, we take a number 175. Now, for making this to the nearest 100, what we will see, the tens place. It is 7 and it is greater than 5. So, we will add plus 1 to hundreds place and it will become 2 and the rest numbers will be 0. Next we have round off to the nearest 1000. For this we will take one example. 4520. So in this case we will see hundreds place. At hundreds place we have 5. So we will add 1 to this. So 4 plus 1 it will be 5 and the rest digits will be 0. So it is the 5000. I hope you all have done your chapter number 1. So keep practicing. Thank you. I hope you all have understood till here. So before proceeding, I would like to take one more example for nearest numbers, that is below the numbers. Till now we have read above the numbers. So here one example for you. If we have a number that is 82. So how we will round off this number to the nearest tens? Here it is 2, and I have already told you that if here the number is 5 or more than the digit 5, so we will add just one number to the previous. But here it is 2 and here it is 8, so we will simply write this 8 as it is and this 2 will become 0. Same in the case of nearest hundreds. Taking one more example, if we take one number 125. Now we have to see the digit that is at tens place. So here it is 2. We will not add any number to this one and simply we will write 100. Taking one more example for the nearest 1000, we will just write 340. Now we will see this 4. It is less than 5. Oh, sorry children. I have to write 1000 number here. So I have wrote 100. So we will add one more digit to this number. Now we have to round off this number to the 1000. Now we will see this 4. It is at the hundreds place. Now what we will do is, it is less than 5. So we are not going to add any number to this 3. We will simply write 3000 as rest digits will become 0. So children, now we have completed the explanation of chapter 1. I hope you all have done your work in your notebooks. So again I have to give you the work, that is, do exercise 1D to 1G and the worksheet on page 26. Thank you.